Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to work with tub spout, with the diverter. I show you in a minute, and if you see, I have a tub spout over here, water on off handle. If you look on the up, we have a shower on the top, but I have it with the flexible hose. So actually what happened, I have this spout and I have a diverter over here. You pick up and water should go up to the shower, and when you press it back, water goes here. But actually happen, if I turn the water on and that whole diverter, it doesn't stop all the water and a lot of water keeps coming through. So I don't have enough water on the shower. So what we are going to do, we are going to replace this whole spout. So as you can see, there was a silicone around. It was sealed, so water doesn't get through the this gap inside the wall. And I take it off already. If you have a silicone, just run little knife, and in certain case you have a Allen screw at the bottom. You need an Allen wrench to take it off. But in my case, I have this stainless steel chrome finish just to thread it on plastic part. So to remove this one, so what we are going to do, we are going to spin this one, just unthread it. If it's really tight, then you probably be like really careful. You don't wanna break copper part, have it inside. Simply there are gonna be couple threaded probably. So this piece will come off. As you can see, I have this plastic piece. I can simply get this new piece and put it on. If just in case you see this piece is bad, then this piece also removable. If you can see, let me try to show. I have a little screw here. I can take it off. This will just slide off, but I don't have any leak through here backside. I don't need to change this one, so I will leave it this one like that. I have bought it already. I bought universal. It's a universal top spout. It comes with all the pieces. I will just put the top part and we will test. So first we're gonna open this box. As you can see, inside the box you will get everything to install this thing. You have a like this part. It says the universal tub spout with the diverter. You can also buy some without diverter, but I need it with the diverter. Chrome finish, exactly same. I have a Teflon tape, and now to open I need something, but I will cut it. So as you can see, I got everything inside. We're gonna unscrew this piece. I don't need to change because I have already. I'm not going to change. I will save it for future. From here, I will use only Teflon tape. Just in case, I have also extra Teflon tape. I also have a reducer from 3/4 to 1/2 inch, just in case if you have a different size of the pipe or stuff, you can just use that one to reduce your thread. So this one actually make from 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch, but in my case I'm going to put this one. Simply I'm going to use my own Teflon tape. You can use the one with came with the part. I also will, before I install the silicone, I have the course because I have to put a new one. Now I'm going to put Teflon. Before you put Teflon, you need to make sure we are going to tighten this spout clockwise. So we have to run this Teflon clockwise. I'm going to start from the back side. Just to make sure it doesn't get caught on the front. If not, it will plug your shower or This is spout. I'm gonna put a little bit heavy on the back side. As we will be tight, it will be more snuggy. It have exactly same size. Now I will just make sure it's inside the thread. I will start tightening slowly. I don't want the inside parts thin. I think one more, as long you don't have too much pressure, we'll let it go. So here we go, just to make sure it's straight. So before I put silicone, I will test if there's any other leak or not. I'm gonna turn on water. Okay. So there's no water leak anymore. So all the water comes through the shower. So far we good. Now we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna put silicone here and be done. We will let it dry for a couple of hours. Then we will be able to use the shower again. So now we're done. Already we replaced this part. We can test one more time. Pull it out. No more water. That means it's working good. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.